The Docma Cutmac BSF315 400-volt table saw boasts a sturdy construction ensured by enameled steel, promising unparalleled resistance and longevity while meeting high standards of quality and robustness. In terms of safety, the significance lies in the presence of a safety housing, designed to prevent the projection of fragments towards the operator, a measure that places user safety at the heart of operation. Practically speaking, the device employs a hardened steel blade 315 mm in diameter with 24 teeth, proving efficient in handling logs up to 120 mm in diameter, with adaptability to logs of variable lengths between 440 and 990 mm. Its enameled steel structure not only emphasizes a commitment to durability but also stands out for its portability, thanks to the inclusion of a wheel system that facilitates transportation.